you foxy ladies and gorgeous guys. My name is Lisa and welcome to the House of Jane and welcome to my bathroom. It is an average day today in Virginia. Kind of gloomy Monday, but great for lighting purposes. I'll get all the good lighting I can get. My channel, I've been YouTubing for under a year and I do all sorts of things. I do unboxing videos on beauty products, on craft products, housewares, jewelry, anything. And I love to support all types of businesses, small and large. And today I am opening up the April Glossybox for 2021. I was given this box for my honest review and I really appreciate Glossybox doing that. If you want to subscribe to the box and get your first box for only $16, I have a code down below. I make no money and nothing off of the code. It's just for you, my viewers. So let's get into the box. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I am coming up on 700 subscribers and that's a huge milestone. So I appreciate your support. Anyway, here's the Glossybox. All right, so Glossybox comes in a signature pink box. A lot of times they decorate it for, certain times of the year. They're very sturdy. People use them to store things, for mailing things. I save them, I use them. Here it is. Always comes with their signature black ribbon too. Here is the card for this month. It's called Woke Up in Spring. I'll refer to the card and tell you how much everything costs. Comes just like this, very nicely packed. Let me break the sticker and show you. Ooh, you're gonna like this box. Look at all those things. So I did do a little research in here so I would be prepared. If you are a current subscriber, you're gonna get this in your box. And what this is, it's by New Beauty. And I've actually used this before. It's eyebrow gel, eyelash gel, travel size. This stuff is kind of expensive. And it promotes growth in your eyebrows and eyelashes. I don't wear fake eyelashes. And these are my real brows. I mean, of course I do pencil a little bit in, but this stuff works amazing. And then they also put in a skin polish. So the skin polish is something you would rinse out. It says leave on for up to 5 minutes and then rinse it out with warm water. So let me show you what this looks like because I cannot rave enough about these products. I have found the gels to work really good on promoting hair growth, no lie. So this is what you're gonna get. This is for current subscribers and I think this is a wonderful gift. And that retails for, wow, $74 for the mini kit. So yay, current subscribers. Whoa, that is expensive, but I'm telling you, it works. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is a nourishing mascara. This is a full-size mascara, and it is by Butanique Beauty, and it goes for $19.90. The packaging is gorgeous. I just love anything pink, blue, and oh, it comes in a blue wand. So I've never tried this brand. I'm really excited to try it, and I'll report back. Then we got, oh my God. All right, I'm gonna go to face care because there is more makeup. We got French Pink Clay. It's a peel-off mask by Freeman. See that? 6 fluid ounces. Do you know, this will last me a good year. It retails very reasonable, $4.99, $5, and it's from Freeman. And you can buy this also in the drugstore, but this is really nice. And it's, it's a cleans out your pores, hopefully reduces pores, polishes up your skin. Very nice Glossybox. I love it, especially anything pink. All right, next item. Look at this. Isn't this color gorgeous? Nail polish. Now this nail polish is by NCLA Beauty. The color is We're Off to Never Never Land, and it retails in the store for $16. So there is the price of your box, your first box with my code right here, and you get everything else is just a throw-in freebie. This is really nice. I love this color. It's like a muted purple, pinkish purple. Love it. I mean, I love muted tones. I don't like the dark reds. They just make me look like a witch. So that will look really nice on me. Then we got by Cargo Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow stick. And this is worth $20. Great value. They offered 3 colors this month: Botany Bay, Morro Bay, and Sandy Bay. And I have the Morro Bay. And I hope the Morro Bay is brown because I don't need any light shimmers. Oh, good deal. It is brown. And I'll do a little swatch test. Isn't that pretty? Ooh. Let's do a little test. Ooh, nice. So you can use that as a shadow. You can use it as an eyeliner. Beautiful color. I am so happy I got this color. Let me put it on without ruining it. Awesome. Okay, there's 2 more things. Be Calm. I've taken Be Calm vitamins. This is called the Good Patch. We're getting 1 patch. 1 patch is $12, but I think the reason why it's so expensive, it's a hemp and menthol patch. It's supposed to reduce stress and anxiety. So I'm gonna wear this. Yeah, you do wear it. You wear it on your place on the inside of your wrist, and it works for up to 12 hours. I have to fly later on this month, towards the end of the month, and I'm like one of those people, like when turbulence happens, I'm like gripping the seats and I'm praying, you know, and I pray I'm gonna be so good for the rest of my life. That kind of person, I'm gonna put this on before I get on the plane. And I hope it works because I hate to fly. I used to not be like that, but I don't know, ever since I started having children years and years ago, I don't like flying. So, which is kind of funny because I was in the Air Force for 22 years, but life's ironic, right? Okay, and the last thing, which is not on this comment card, but I looked it up. Look at that, with the little glitters. This is a new subscriber gift. It's by Kawaii Girl Cosmetics. And I did look this up online. You can use this as a blush, as an eyeshadow, and even as a lip gloss. Oh my God. So if you subscribe today, you're gonna get this in your new subscriber box. And it comes with all this little glitter. I probably won't swatch it yet because it is sealed, which is good. But look at that beautiful color. I might or might not keep this. I do giveaways on my channel, and this might go into a future giveaway. So that is it for the Glossybox for the month of April. I am so thrilled with everything I received. I really am. No kidding around. This is awesome, and let me know what you think. Do you like these items? I mean, this alone is worth the cost of the box. And to have this set right here for your lashes and your brows and your skin, really a good deal. I'm telling you, this works. It really does work. Look them up. I'll give a link below. Anyway, give me a like and a subscribe and let me know what you feel. And thank you for coming to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I would love all the support. So you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.